Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of how to make a sort of a virtual town or an RPG in Scratch, or the how to get like doors, you know. So last time we talked about how to make these arrow move, and then we learned how to make that wizard talk. So now we'll be adding like more of like another backdrop. So I'll teach you how to make doors open and stuff. Okay, so um go down go down to here where it's choose a sprite and well, actually not sprite, sorry, background, click paint. Okay, so we are going to call one sec. Okay, so now we are going to call this maybe lunch, because we're going to draw the lunch hallway now. I'm going to make I'm gonna make the color red, take the brush, put the size up a ton, and just a normal, just a normal pathway. But to make room for the door, we'll put this down, and then I'm just going to take this saturation all the way down to 0. Okay, forward. Okay, we're not going to draw the door here because it has to be a sprite so it can be clickable. So lunch hall, it can be called lunch hall. So now we're just going to choose a new sprite. So go down and we're going to paint a new sprite. So I'm going to call this lunch door. So lunch door and entrance. So it's going to be called lunch door entrance. I should also name it here too. Lunch door entrance. And okay, there. Wait, I spelled it wrong. That's how you spell it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a door. I'm just going to draw a door. That's a bit big. It's just going to be a normal door. 1 second. Oops. I'm going to add a little doorknob there. So I'm going to click text, the T, then I'm going to click this, and I'm going to choose curly. I'm gonna type lunch. So then I'm going to make this black, and then just expand it. Okay, so we have this, but we wanna, no, not that, the name. We want to change the size too. That's still big. We could change the size to 10. No, that's so small. 30? Yeah, 30's a good number. And maybe 35. Yeah, 35 is a good number. So now, because there's going to be a new backdrop, we're going to go to the wizard code, right click, duplicate. But we're going to change the backdrop to the lunch hall. And we want to do this same code, but to this. Okay, so let's get some like hide blocks out. Hide and one show block. I think there has to be. Okay. So now when backdrop switches to hall, hide. When backdrop switches to castle 1, hide. We don't need this. When backdrop switches to lunch hall, show. Okay, so it's at lunch hall. Okay, that's a weird color. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we use the arrow keys for this. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do the to make it actually click, we need to do another backdrop. I know, there's a lot of backdrops. So go down to the backdrops chooser, click paint. Okay, we're painting a new backdrop. I am going to call this backdrop. I am going to call this backdrop lunch. Okay, sorry about that little pause. So as I said, I'm going to add another talkable character here. So now what we need to do is duplicate this in the lunch door code. And we need to make it hide. Wait, hide when it's in the lunchroom. Yeah, hide when it's in the lunchroom. Same with the wizard. So duplicate that. We need it to hide in the lunchroom. Okay. So now when this sprite is clicked, change backdrop to lunchroom. Okay, so let's just try that out. So I'm clicking this and it changes back to here. But we have no way to get out, so we want to make another door. Right click, duplicate. But instead of hiding when it's in the lunchroom, we want it to show when it's in the lunchroom. And I think I made oops, that was a mistake. I need to duplicate this. Lunch hall. Show. Okay, there. So as I said, and we need to change this to when the sprite is clicked. Switch backdrop to lunch hall. So let's try that out. And also, oh, that was a mistake. Okay, okay. 0. And then oops, that was a mistake again. Oh no, this is bad. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay, for a second, I am just going to, in this one, I'm just going to delete this code for a sec so I can move that. Same with this one. Let me just, yeah, I want it to be there and 20. We're making it small. Okay, now we can do the code. So what I want it to do is when this sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to lunch hall and okay, there. So I'm just going to duplicate one of these and then lunch hall. Okay, there. Now we have this. Okay, now we're going to make the talkable character right here. And we are going to do that next episode in part 3. I'm also going to show you how to make like another door, how to do another thing like this. So yeah, and we're going to do that next episode. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.